Did you know that a woman once led 10,000 soldiers into battle against an army with 900 iron war chariots? Meet Deborah, the only female judge in Israel's history. When God told her it was time to defeat the mighty General Sisera, she called for Commander Barak and shared God's battle plan. But Barak was scared. "I'll only go if you come with me to the battlefield," he said. Deborah agreed, but warned him, "Because you're being cowardly, a woman will get the credit for this victory, not you." She led 10,000 men up Mount Tabor. At the perfect moment, Deborah gave the signal to attack. God sent a massive flash flood that turned the valley into mud, making those powerful iron chariots completely useless. Sisera's entire army was destroyed. He ran away on foot, but another brave woman named Jael finished him off. God doesn't choose leaders based on whether they're men or women. He chooses people who are faithful and brave enough to step up when others won't. Please subscribe for more.